Hi there, welcome to the Digital Hustle Academy. My name is Israel, your online business coach. Are you ready to take control of your financial future and build a thriving online business? I know the answer is yes because you clicked on my channel, but I have good news for you. You're not lost. You're in the right place. At Digital Hustle Academy, we're dedicated to empowering individuals like you to turn your passions into profitable ventures. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting, we've got the knowledge and strategies to help you succeed. Here's what you can expect from our channel. Number 1. In-depth tutorials. Learn step-by-step how to create and market your online business. 2. Expert interviews. Gain insights from successful entrepreneurs and industry leaders. 3. Case studies. Discover real-world examples of people who've built successful online businesses. 4. Community building. Connect with like-minded individuals and share your experiences. 5. One-on-one coaching and career mentoring for 1 year at affordable and discounted rates. Join us on this exciting journey as we explore the limitless possibilities of the online world. Still thinking? Subscribe now, and let's build your online empire in the year 2025 and beyond together. So let's get started.